route is we're gonna take 435 north, and we're just gonna fill up and stuff there, and then head 70 back towards downtown. I feel like we lost some people.
I think we did.
I guess that's what comes with it, right? It's right here.
Give me the loot. Fat guy on the site. So I made another, I was like, what's that sound? It's that building over there. So I made another Facebook post, y'all. Basically riding out. I had like 50 people like the comment. I said from 5 to 7, what time is it now? It's 6:23. From 5 to 7, we're gonna be riding out at about 7:15-ish. Like I said, it was like 48 people liked it. Some people said they was gonna come out, so we'll see. If y'all been keeping up with this channel, the last 2 or 3 bike meets I made, I didn't think nobody would show up, and then we ride out like at least 10 deep. So hopefully there's some people over here. To begin into it, 365 days of the year. We get ready to head out. The route is we're gonna take 435 north, cut over to 152, and then we're gonna cut back down to 45. We're just gonna fill up and stuff there, and then head 70 back towards downtown, and then just end at, there's like a area, if y'all familiar with, where all the bikers be by Town Topic. We just end there. So straight highway. I think we're about to leave now. Rockstar. Rockstar.
This is so dope.
Rockstar life with a rockstar. Rockstar chain with a rockstar. Yeah. Rockstar life with a rockstar. Rockstar chain with a rockstar. sprocket on
One
there.
too smaller in the front. So this thing will fucking pull in every second turn. Yeah. Or it's a little. It won't rip at the top end.
Don't ever sell it, man.
I can't.
That's his number 7. Yeah, you can't sell that shit.
Can't sell it.
I feel like we lost some people.
I know.
I guess that's what comes with it, right?
one girl back there, right?
It looked like 2 bikes in the back there. setting shit up, man. I'm about to run this shit. Oh. Been hurt her, huh? That shit's fun, man. Have we been in a group this big? No, the last time was like 11. You want like 11 already? Yeah, I'm like, yeah. I think this is the most. We got hella people over there. I'm about to make a new thing. I'm about to do like the minimum. You got to do like 130. You can't ride with me if you ain't doing 130. I'm just playing. Thank you. Y'all coming with us?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
We was trying to meet up in the first spot, but we was heading down south and then ended up
Ready?
breaking.
Y'all ready?
Oh, I was just asking you guys to get us a slice of pizza. But we going to town topic, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah. We good? Oh, fuck. My bad. My fault. Right, it's right here.
Grab it